Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making lemon fondant. Now lots of you have been asking about fondant, and it's basically a fondant icing and professional bakers use it all the time. Now you can't buy this off the high street apart from my baker's shop, but I have actually put a recipe down below in the description where you can find one to actually do it at home yourself. It's very simple and easy to do, and it's not rocket science. But the idea now is to turn your white fondant into yellow fondant. And this is very simple and easy. It's a little baker's trick. And because obviously if you're doing it from scratch, you have to put all your lemon and stuff in the fondant at the time of making it. But over the years, we learn these little tricks in the bakery industry, how to get round turning white into lemon. And if you've seen one of my earlier hacks, which is basically turning white to chocolate, obviously this is yellow. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check out the description because that's where you'll find your recipe and links to other videos. Right, it's very straightforward. So we'll get straight on with the video. So what you need for this recipe is a bowl, a spatula, your white fondant you made earlier, and that's 750 grams. Now it can vary a little bit. So there's your 750 grams of fondant. And once again, this is what I did earlier. Oh, shouldn't show you the label. Yeah, I got this from the supermarket. I will do a recipe on making your own lemon curd. And this is 320 grams. So basically we're going to warm this up, not too hot, and then add that into it. We also got a bit of colour just in case it's not bright enough. So we'll pop our fondant into the microwave and just warm it up a little bit. I think around about 1 minute in the microwave is plenty long enough for the fondant, and it's just to get it that temperature where you can put your finger in and whittle it around and it don't burn you. If you burn your finger in the fondant or it's that hot, it ain't no good and you have to start over. It's just like that. That's what fondant's all about. So that's your fondant, it's just ready. So we'll put that straight into the bowl. Give it a good stir around. And put your whole jar of lemon curd in. Cool, that smells good. Can't beat lemon curd. So all we do is mix this in. Like that. So we find it's not lemony enough. It's got plenty of lemon flavour, but it needs to be this colour or round about, give or take. It don't want to be sunshine colour, but it needs to be more yellow. Hopefully I don't put too much colour in and do the opposite to what I actually say. Let's see what that looks like. Best to do a bit at a time. Oh, that'll be plenty. There you go. Very much the same colour. Just mix this in so it's all clear. And we'll just put into our pots. So that's it, folks. It's that simple. So the question is, what does it taste like? Does it taste right or not? Okay, I wouldn't, if I was using it at work, I wouldn't use my finger, but it's at home. Oh, that's lovely. That is spot on. Now this one is bought stuff. And obviously this is warm, so it's going to set off, but this is the bought stuff. Now let's see what that tastes like. To be perfectly honest, I prefer what I just made, because that is real. That, believe it or not, The manufacturers say it's lemon, but I think we'll find that that's a lot of lemon flavouring in there and not much else. Now this one, this is homemade and it's lemon. When that sets off, it goes on top of your cakes and stuff. Oh, that's beautiful. You need to I'll tell you now, you need to try that. That is absolute lush. I did use a supermarket lemon curd. It's not going to be as nice as making your own lemon curd. But there again, you know what it's like? When you try something at home, it always tends to be that little bit better. And it's like in my bakery, I always try to make everything like it is at home. You go in my shop and you're going to get something that really tastes really good. Now I've been buying this product for years and I thought, why am I buying this stuff? It's damn expensive. And now we're down to the cost of living and all that. Even the bakery industry, we're in the same boat. You know, what's the point of me buying this stuff when I can just turn around and go and buy it and make it myself? It's that simple. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!